Hello, welcome to our online Forex trading course at FIBO Group Academy. We have already trained hundreds of novice traders and we are ready to teach you. In a basic course, we'll tell you what Forex is, we'll introduce you to all financial instruments, and we'll teach you how to work in the trading terminal, choose the right time for the opening and closing deals. We'll definitely consolidate all theoretical knowledge with practice. In each lesson, we'll teach you to analyze the events taking place in financial markets and react to them correctly. If you have already started trading but you don't have enough knowledge, join our specialized courses. With competent trading, your profit will always exceed possible losses. We are confident that trading will open up new horizons for you and possibly become your new job. The advantage of our academy is that all teachers are experienced analysts and active traders, and they are ready to share with you the most relevant knowledge and secrets of their successful practice. Please fill the application form for trading, and manager will contact you to arrange time of beginning of your first lesson. Forex is always open to those who want more.